सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे चैनल सेल्फ टेक को और देखें नीट एंट्रांस एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बायोलॉजी के वन लाइनर्स क्वेश्चन का सेट नंबर 34 फ्रेंड्स। और आज का यह वीडियो सेल स्ट्रक्चर और सेल फंक्शन पर आधारित है फ्रेंड्स। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमारा द टर्म सेल originated from the Latin word cellula meaning a small room. Next question, the term cell was given by Robert Hooke. Next question, the term cell was coined by Robert Hooke, who observed cell-like structure in cork under a microscope. Next, the cell is not applied for virus, or the cell theory is not applied for virus. Next, the smallest cell are only 0.3 micron in length are mycoplasmas, or you can say the smallest living cell is mycoplasma. Next, the longest body cells are nerve cells or neurons which constitute the nervous system. Next, the largest cell of the human body is the female gamete, that is ovum. Next, the smallest cell of the human body is the male gamete, that is the sperm. Next, the membrane around the vacuole is known as tonoplast. Next, a cell without a cell wall is termed as symplast. Next, a plant cell wall is mainly composed of cellulose, a type of polysaccharide. Next, cell theory doesn't apply to virus. Next, plastid used in storing proteins are called chromoplast. Next, which membrane-bound cell organelle consisting of a small sac-like structure surrounded by a single membrane serves as cell digestive system? This is lysosomes. Next, lysosomes are known as suicidal bags because it contains hydrolytic activity due to the presence of hydrolytic enzyme. Next, which cell organelle shows similarity to a prokaryotic cell? Both chloroplast and mitochondria are the cell organelle show similarity to a prokaryotic cell. Next, which cell organelles act as a powerhouse of the cell? It is the mitochondria. Next, mitochondria are responsible for cellular respiration, which is the process of releasing energy from the food. So it is known as powerhouse of the cell. Next, which cell organelle are also called the protein factory of the cell? These are ribosomes. Next, which cell organelles convert light energy into relatively stable chemical energy via the photosynthetic process? These are chloroplast. Next, which cell organelles have their own DNA and ribosomes? This is mitochondria and plastid. Next, which cell organelles serve as the major packaging regions of the molecules distributed throughout the cell? These are Golgi bodies. Next, many ribosomes may associate with a single messenger RNA to form multiple copies of the polypeptide simultaneously. Such strings of the ribosomes are termed as polysomes or polyribosomes. Eukaryotic cells has ribosomes. ATS occurs in the cytoplasm of the eukaryotic cells. Next, prokaryotic cell ribosomes are 70S occur in the cytoplasm as well as are associated with the cell membrane of the prokaryotic cell. Next, a jelly-like substance present in both plants and animal cells where various cellular activities occurs is cytoplasm. Next, the protruding invaginated sits inside the mitochondria is known as cristae. Next, the organelle present in both plant and animal cells and act as the controller center of the cell is known as nucleus, and the next question, the organelles present only in the plant cell and are involved in the photosynthesis, pigment synthesis, as well as in the storage of the food are plastids. Next and the last video of this question of this video, the types of plastid inclusive to plants and some algae and are key to processes like photosynthesis or chloroplast. Thanks for watching. Good night.